What is anaphylaxis? Anaphylaxis is a serious allergic reaction that is rapid in onset and may cause death. It typically causes more than one of the following: an itchy rash, throat or tongue swelling, shortness of breath, vomiting, lightheadedness, and low blood pressure. These symptoms typically come on over minutes to hours. Common causes include insect bites and stings, foods and medications. How do toxic substances enter the body? There are several ways in which toxic substances can enter the body. They may enter through the lungs by inhalation, through the skin, mucous membrane, or eyes by absorption, or through the gastrointestinal tract by ingestion. What are the major functions of the skin? The skin can help to regulate body temperature through sweat glands, provide a physical barrier to dehydration, microbial invasion, and some chemical insults, excrete salts, water, and organic compounds, serve as a sensory organ for touch, temperature, pressure, and pain, provide some important components of immunity. What is the difference between mode of action and mechanism of action? A mode of action should not be confused with mechanism of action, which refers to the biochemical processes underlying a given mode of action. Modes of toxic action are important, widely used tools in ecotoxicology and aquatic toxicology because they classify toxicants or pollutants according to their type of toxic action. Define mode of toxic action. A mode of toxic action is a common set of physiological and behavioral signs that characterizes a type of adverse biological response. What are the steps involved in the process of mechanism of toxicity? Delivery, site of exposure to the target, reaction of the ultimate toxicant with the target molecule, cellular dysfunction and resultant toxicity, and repair or disrepair. What are two forms of cell death? Necrosis, which is unprogrammed cell death, which could be dangerous, and apoptosis, one of the main forms of programmed cell death. What is necrosis of tissues? Necrosis is caused by factors external to the cell or tissue, such as infection, toxins, or trauma, which result in the unregulated digestion of cell components. Cell commits homicide is necrosis. What is apoptosis? Apoptosis is the term used to describe the generally normal death of the cell in living organisms. Since new cells regenerate, cell death is a normal and constant process in the body. What are, what are the different stages of apoptosis? Apoptosis has several distinct stages. In this first stage, the cell starts to become round as a result of the protein in the cell being eaten by enzyme that become active. Next, the DNA in the nucleus starts to come apart and shrink down. The membrane surrounding the nucleus begins to degrade and ultimately no longer forms of usual layer. Cell commits suicide by apoptosis. What are the possible toxic mechanisms for chemicals? Produce reversible or irreversible bodily injury, have the capacity to cause tumors, neoplastic effects, or cancer, cause reproductive errors, including mutations and teratogenic effects, produce irritation and sensitization of mucous membranes, cause a reduction in motivation, mental alertness, or capability, alter behavior, or cause death of the organism. List the variety of processes of absorption including their characteristics. Diffusion. Molecules move from areas of high concentration to low concentration. Facilitated diffusion. require specialized carrier proteins. No high energy phosphate bonds are required. Active transport. ATP is required in conjunction with special carrier proteins to move molecules through a membrane against a concentration gradient. What is mode of toxic action? Mode of toxic action is a common set of physiological and behavioral signs that characterize a type of adverse biological response. A mode of action should not be confused with mechanism of action, which refers to the biochemical processes underlying a given mode of action. What are the two major types of mode of toxic action? Non-specific and specific. Non-specific acting toxicants are those that produce narcosis. Specific acting toxicants are those that are non-narcotic and that produce a specific action at a specific target site. What is specific type of mode of action? There are several specific active modes of toxic action. Uncouplers of oxidative phosphorylation, which involves toxicants that uncouple the two processes that occur in oxidative phosphorylation, electron transfer and ATP production. Apoptosis or programmed cell death is a tightly controlled organized process whereby individual cells break into small fragments that are phagocytosized by adjacent cells or macrophages without producing an inflammatory response. Sustained elevation of intracellular calcium is harmful because it can result in depletion of energy reserves by inhibiting the ATPase used in oxidative phosphorylation, dysfunction of microelements, activation of hydrolytic enzymes, and generation of reactive oxygen and nitrogen species. Cell injury progresses towards cell necrosis if molecular repair mechanisms are inefficient or the molecular damage is not readily reversible. Chemical carcinogenesis involves insufficient function of various repair mechanisms including failure of DNA repair, failure of apoptosis, and failure to terminate cell proliferation.